Hey guys, let me show you how to make one of the most easiest, fastest, but delicious and moist chocolate cake. I call it the one bowl mix. So you're going to sift all your dry ingredients together in a mixing bowl. We have the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. Sift that together and give it a good mix. And then pour in your 2 cups of sugar. Mix that together and mix well. And then you add in 1 cup of milk, half cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or whichever flavor you have at home. Give that a good mix. Once you're done, you're going to do the coffee mix. Please do not overmix your batter. Your coffee mix, you need 1 cup of hot water and half teaspoon of coffee. Give that a good mix. And then I added chocolate. I shredded some chocolate, some dark chocolate for extra flavor. And then you pour in your hot coffee. Mix that together, pour it in your baking pan and bake that. You're going to end up with this delicious and moist chocolate cake. Bye.